sector story, it's that tech is really weak compared to everything else, or broadly defined tech, and that's just not something we're used to. The tech is well, this earnings season, if you take tech out, or tech, broadly defined, you have a 5% EPS growth this quarter. I mean, who would think that tech is the thing that's holding everything back? And I think that this continues for longer than we think.
Well, and this is a hallmark of Credit Suisse, is this linkage between strategists and your securities analysis. Do your tech people as a whole feel news-making layoffs can adjust those margins? Can they heal that margin deterioration?
Well, Tommy, and we were talking before we went on air about what's going on in terms of layoffs and young people coming into the labor market. A lot of this was an over exuberance when we went into the pandemic and things were so strong for tech demand. The companies hired as if this was a new normal of trends, and what it really is, and this is why tech's having a hard time. It was a pull forward of activity, and everyone believed. The investment community bought into it, the companies bought into it, and now it's unwinding. Companies are laying those workers off. So, do we work through this? Yes.
Get more of this and other conversations on the latest Bloomberg Surveillance podcast. Subscribe on Apple, Spotify, and anywhere else you get your podcasts. Plus, listen anytime on the Bloomberg Business app and Bloomberg.com. Markets, headlines, and breaking news 24 hours a day at Bloomberg.com, the Bloomberg Business app, and at Bloomberg Quick Take. This is a Bloomberg Business Flash. It's 3:40 on Wall Street. I'm Charlie Pellet. Stocks are holding near session highs. We check the markets all day long at Bloomberg, and this update